In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur image in Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place an image on your canvas, apply a blur, and fine-tune it for a clean, professional look. First, head to figma.com in your browser and sign in. From the main view, locate the All Projects area so you can see everything you're working on. Open the project where you want to add and blur an image. This gets you into the file where your design lives and where you'll place the image. With your file open, look for the shape tools in the toolbar. There's a small drop down next to the shape icons. Open that menu and choose Image Video. This tells Figma you want to place media directly onto the canvas. Your file picker will appear, browse to the image you want, select it, and click Open. Figma will drop the image into your file, ready to be positioned and styled. Take a moment to adjust the image on the canvas, drag it to the right spot, and use the corner handles to resize. If you want to keep the proportions, hold Shift as you scale. You can also nudge with the arrow keys for pixel level precision. Getting the size and placement right first helps the blur look intentional and balanced. Now, with the image layer selected, look to the right-hand sidebar and find the effects panel. If you don't see it, make sure the image layer is selected in the layers panel. Click the plus icon to add a new effect, then choose layer blur. This effect blurs the selected layer itself, which is exactly what we need. A quick note, background blur interacts with whatever is behind the layer, while layer blur only affects the image you selected, so layer blur is the correct choice here. You'll see a blur value field appear. Set the blur to 40. You can type 40 directly or drag the slider until it lands on 40. This is a strong, soft blur that maintains the overall shape while removing detail. If you're designing a background or obscuring sensitive parts of a photo, 40 is a reliable starting point. If it looks too strong or not strong enough, fine-tune by a few points either way. You can toggle the effect's visibility using the eye icon to compare before and after. That's it. Open your project, place your image through the Shape Tools drop-down, adjust its position and size, go to Effects, choose Layer Blur, and set it to 40. Save your file, and you're done. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.